Today I'm going to introduce you to a free web-based tool called StoryJumper. StoryJumper can be found at www.storyjumper.com. StoryJumper is one word. This is a free web-based tool that helps students create digital storybooks. This tool is great for students in elementary and middle school. It is a free resource that you just need to sign up with a simple email address and password to create. Once you've created an account as a teacher, you can then create student accounts so that they can each create their own student books. I'm going to demonstrate how you can use this tool today to help students gain 21st century literacy skills. So I'm going to demonstrate how students can make a book. I'm going to go to the Make New Book section, and I'm going to click on it. You can choose the You and the Hero to have a storybook already created that you edit, but I'm going to start with having just a blank book. So I'm going to click on the blank book logo. It takes a minute to load, but once it comes up, you're going to have a lot of options. So this first helps students navigate and learn about technology, because there are different tabs over here on the left-hand side of the screen that students need to click through in order to create their book. So here I have my blank book page. I can choose from adding text, adding props, adding scenes, and even adding photos. Now, if an early childhood student is using StoryJumper, they might first just start creating a scene. They can either create a scene from their imagination, or maybe they're challenged to create a storybook scene that they're familiar with. So maybe they've recently read a book about the ocean, so they choose this water theme. They have the background. Now maybe they want to add props. Let's see. I want something that goes in the water, so I might search for fish. Let's see if there's any fish that come up. If I see something I want, I can just click on the fish and it will add it to my props section. I'm going to also click on a dolphin and a bluefish, and I even see a ship I want. Then I can X out of here, and now in my props I have those underwater creatures in the ship right here. So I can just click on the ship and it comes up on the screen. I can then use my cursor to manipulate the item. I can make it bigger because I want the ship to be the biggest thing in my picture. And then maybe I want the dolphin. So I just click on the dolphin and it appears on my book page. And I can make the dolphin as big as I want. So maybe I am thinking of a story where there's a ship out in the ocean and the people on board see a dolphin. If I'm in early childhood education, the students might just create a scene with pictures. If I want to delete this dolphin, I can click on it and then click the trash can. Okay. Now if students maybe in kindergarten want to add a few words, then I might hit text. I might just do a big text box and I might write ship on water if I'm a kindergarten student. I can then use my mouse to manipulate the text box and move it to where I would like it to be. And I can click down because I want it to go down. Okay, so I'm going to move my ship over. This is part of problem solving when you're using a new technology. Students will be troubleshooting as they create their book. If older students are working on this text, they will be expected to form a story with a plot and all the elements having a beginning, middle, and an end. So this resource can be used for students from pre-K all the way up through 8th grade, and it helps students create a story. It can be creating just pictures for younger students or an actual story with text features, for older students, and it also allows students to use their imagination, to use their critical thinking skills, and it provides a finished product that the students can save and then even print out on a printer for presentation in a classroom. It can be added to the class library, or it can be taken home to be shared with the families. So this is a great resource that helps build students' 21st century skills.